So students, today we are continuing the structure of atom chapter only, in which we are having one topic which is called average atomic mass. Now the question comes that what is average atomic mass and why we have to take out this average atomic mass. Now let me tell you, we have completed the topic which is called isotope. Isotopes are those elements of the same, those atoms of the same element which are having same atomic number but different mass number. So if you see that in the symbol, whatever the symbol of the element is there, we are having two things. First is atomic mass, second is atomic number. So the question comes that if we are having three isotopes or two isotopes, then which one number of atomic mass we will going to write? Okay, because atomic mass of different isotope will be different. So now in this, what we used to do, like example, we have chlorine. Okay, just see that we have chlorine. In chlorine, what is happening, we are having two isotopes of chlorine. Okay, in nature two isotopes are present of chlorine. One is having atomic mass 35 and atomic number 17. Second is having atomic mass 37 and the atomic number is 17. So the atomic number is same and the atomic mass is different. So these are called isotopes, because in isotope atomic number is same but the mass number or the atomic mass is different. Now when a question comes that in periodic table chlorine is written, okay, fine, in that atomic number will be written downward, and in this upward portion we have to write atomic mass. Which atomic mass we will write, 35 or 37? This is a question for all of us. So what scientist has done, they have taken out the average of these with the help of the percentage they present in the nature. Okay, and how to take out, it's very simple. See, average atomic mass of Cl, that is chlorine. How to do? See, first thing is what is the atomic mass of that element. Okay, first isotope 35. There is no particular formula, you just have to see how to do it. Okay, into percentage, whatever the percentage, matlab ye 75% and 25%, it is the percentage, it is present in nature. 75% chlorine, this isotope is present in nature, and 25% chlorine, this isotope is present in nature. So 35 the atomic mass into percentage, that means 75 upon 100, because when we take out the percent we just put 100, plus average mein we used to do plus. So plus the next isotope atomic mass, that is 37 into 25%, it is of 25%, so 25 upon 100. So now when you will solve this portion, okay, you will find that this is coming 2625 upon 100, and this is coming 925 upon 100. Now we can put the points, so it will be 120, so 2 digits we will leave, 2.5 plus 9.25. okay, and now add them, so it is coming approx 35.5 U. We put a unit called U. I have already discussed in the video that this is called atomic mass unit. Okay, it is the mass unit of atom. So the average atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. So now here in the periodic table when chlorine was written, so which one we will write? We will write this one, the average atomic mass, that means 35.5. You can check in the periodic table, it is not 35, it will be not 37, it will be 35.5, which is the average atomic mass. So when we talk about isotopes, we need to take out the average atomic mass of that particular element so that we can write it on periodic table. So all the element, those elements which are having isotope, their atomic mass is taken out by average atomic mass formula only, and there is not particular formula, just that whatever the atomic mass into its percentage, whatever the atomic mass into its percentage. Now sometime what happen, average atomic mass is given and one of the element is not given. See, up now I have three isotope. Okay, one is two isotope. Let's take an example of two isotope. If I would have said that this percentage I will be not knowing, okay, and this also I am not knowing. So if it is x, then what will be this? This will be 100 minus x, because in total the percent thing is always 100. Okay, and if it is 100, then it will be distributed like, if I have given x to this chlorine, then rest of the percent will go to the next chlorine, and that will be 100 minus x. So remember one thing, if the percentage is not given and you have to find the percentage, so here average atomic mass will be given by in the question. So you will write x upon 100, and here you will write 100 minus upon 100 minus x bracket close upon 100, because x percentage will show the quantity percentage of first chlorine, and the next 100 minus x will show for the second chlorine. So please do the given numericals related to this. One more topic which we will cover now is radioactive isotope, but before that there is one numerical. If you can see, a sample of an element x contain two isotopes. See, two isotopes are given, x, okay, atomic mass is 16 and atomic number is 8, and the another isotope is x only, atomic mass is 18 and atomic number is 8. So if the average atomic mass of this sample of the element is 16.2, now average atomic mass is given. Okay, calculate the percentage of two isotope. तो nature में इनकी percentage क्या होगी? See, everything is given. First, if the first isotope is of x percent, if the first isotope is of x percent, then the second one will be 100 minus x. Okay, so we will write average atomic mass of x 16, whatever the atomic mass of that element, into x upon 100. Same 18 into 100 minus x upon 100, and this average atomic mass is already given 16.2. Now solve it with respect in respect of x and take out the value of x, okay, with the cross multiplication and addition and subtraction. So you will get this 90. So if one is 90, then another is 100 minus x, that means 100 minus 90, that means 10%, remember. Okay, so the first percentage is 90 and the second is 10%. So this is how you can solve the question related to this. Now radioactive isotope, actually radioisotopes having one more category, that is called radioactive. As a name is indicating कि इनमें से कोई radiation निकलती है. Okay, these are the isotope which are actually very unstable. These are very unstable isotopes. Okay, unstable isotopes, and they emit various type of radiations which are called radioactive isotopes. मतलब those isotopes which radiate some energy are known as radioactive isotopes, and these are having lots of use in our daily life, in especially in medical field में इनका बहुत यूज़ होता है. Let's see how. You just know the application first. आपका रेडियोएक्टिव आइसोटोप होता है जो कि यूरेनियम 235 है. ये फ्यूल की तरह यूज़ होता है न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर में. ओके, बिकॉज ये बहुत ट्रिमेंडस अमाउंट ऑफ हीट एनर्जी देता है, जिस हीट एनर्जी को हम इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट करते हैं और जनरेटर में स्टोर कर लेते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. So uranium 235 is used to generate electricity, and it act as a fuel. Now the second one is your radioactive. The second one is a radioactive isotope. Act as a tracer in medicine to detect the presence of tumor and blood clot. मान लो if anybody is having tumor or blood clot in the human body, so which isotope is used? Arsenic 75 is used to detect the presence of tumor, and sodium 24 is used to detect the blood clot. Okay, these two are very important. Arsenic 74 for tumor detection and sodium 24 for blood clots. Okay, then third is radioactive isotope are used in the treatment of cancer. Cobalt 60 is used in the treatment of cancer. Okay, if the person is having cancer, तो जो इनको कीमोथेरेपीज होती है उसमें कोबाल्ट 60 को यूज़ किया जाता है, इसकी रेडिएशंस दी जाती हैं सो दैट वो कैंसर्स क्या हो, कैंसर कॉजिंग सेल्स को ख़त्म कर सकें. देन रेडियोएक्टिव आइसोटोप्स आर यूज टू डिटरमाइन द एक्टिविटी ऑफ थायराइड ग्लैंड. जो हमारे नेक में थायराइड ग्लैंड होता है उसके लिए आपका आयोडीन 131 यूज़ किया जाता है डिटेक्शन के लिए और ट्रीटमेंट के लिए. ठीक है. देन रेडियोएक्टिव आइसोटोप आर यूज्ड इन इंडस्ट्री टू डिटेक्ट लीकेज इन अंडरग्राउंड पाइप. पाइप्स वगैरह में लीकेज के लिए भी रेडियो एक्टिव आइसोटोप यूज़ किए जाते हैं, इनकी रेडिएशंस उस उधर से डाली जाती है, सो दैट अगर रेडिएशंस पास हो जाती हैं तो देयर विल बी नो लीकेज, एंड इफ़ द रेडिएशंस कम बैक दैट मीन्स देयर विल बी अ लीकेज। सो इस प्रोसेस के थ्रू हमने 5 यूजेस पढ़ लिए हैं रेडियो एक्टिव आइसोटोप्स के, एंड दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. Okay, so please go through it once.